Russell's Kitchen because, as you know, I like to cook. And when I find a product that works really well, I let you know about it. And we've had choppers, you know, slap choppers, pump choppers, manual choppers. We even have the KitchenAid attachment for our KitchenAid mixer. And although that works really well, it's a pain in the ass to clean and set up, and it's like a whole big thing. And when you want to do something fast, one of these style choppers, and there's a gazillion of them on Amazon, they usually work really well, and they're quick, easy to clean. However, some of them break really easily. And we came across this one. It's a Smile Mom is the brand, and you got your pump attachment that spins your doohickey on the bottom when you pump it. You got your cap, you got your blade, very sharp blade, and you got your basin, nice and easy. It also comes with a mixing spoon. I guess you could mix something, anything, any liquidy thing that you want to mix in the plastic, because that's not what I use it for. But it's an option. I could try it. Maybe I'll try it. Maybe I'll try it in this coleslaw recipe, because I'm going to do coleslaw. So now I use this predominantly to finely chop raw onion. It works really well for that, and that's my main use for it. However, I did start making homemade coleslaw, and I like chopped coleslaw rather than a shredded coleslaw. So I've been using this to actually chop the cabbage, and it works, believe it or not. It chops cabbage, it chops peppers, all kinds of stuff. But I'm going to demo the cabbage, because that's a tough thing for a flat tri-blade thing to actually chop cabbage, and it works. And it's durable. You can slam the crap out of this thing. And we haven't broken a Smile Mom yet, but we have broken some of the other brands, and that's why I'm recommending the Smile Mom. Link in the description below. So I'm going to take this half a head of cabbage, and we're going to make some coleslaw. So I got my cabbage here, and any like loose leaf, like the outer one, if it flops off really easily, I put it to the side, because that will tend to bind up your chopping. And then I'm just going to take it, and I'm going to cut it down into pieces about like that. And I take my basin, put your blade in it, it fits in a little notch in the bottom there. And I'm going to take these, and I'm going to sort of put them around the side evenly, like that. This way it's nice and even around the side, and the tip of the blade mechanism is popping up. Now, a lot of these cheaper ones just go right on. This one actually, you find the groove, and it locks in place so it doesn't lift up. And then you got to get your mechanism in there. It does have a lock and unlock. Why, I don't know. And then, so your first couple shots, I got it on lock. Your first couple shots might be a little where you gotta, you know, hit it down. Once you do that a couple times and you start to break it up, you can keep spinning. Now with the cabbage, I do like to take it, shake it up to get some of those bigger leaves of the cabbage mixed around. And then I'll continue to chop. I'll take a look at it, see if I got any big chunks in there. And this one looks pretty good already. What did that take? 5 or 6 chops? And I have really nice, finely chopped cabbage. What you will find is you'll find a little piece like this every now and then. No big deal, but for the most part, it's really chopped up fine. And then I'll take it and I'll dump it into my measuring cup. And then I'll repeat the process with the rest of my cabbage. I did cut the knot of the heel, or the whatever you call it, out of the cabbage. I'm going to do the same thing, add a couple of pieces. Find the groove in the lid, lock it into place. 2 nice hard ones, and then the rest of them are fairly easy. 3 or 4 nice hard ones. And it does have a rubber bottom. This way it doesn't slide around on you. I guess the lock here is for storage, because once you put it down, it stays down. I guess that's to store it. We never even use the lock. Alright, and again, I got some nice finely chopped cabbage. I don't even see any big chunks in there. Every once in a while, a leaf just doesn't chop up. And then here's the last remaining bits of my cabbage. Give it a little shake. Last one. And it's that easy. Now, for my coleslaw, I like to chop the cabbage like this, and I also like to add a little carrot. This works on the carrots as well. So the only thing the baby mama's got in the fridge today is peeled baby cut carrots, washed and ready to eat. And I'm going to take a handful. Now, carrots are harder than cabbage. Mac, you like carrots? Mac? You like carrots? Carrot? He actually likes carrots. All right, well, you eat that, Mac. We are going to get the lid on here now. So, because carrots are harder, this first chop is going to be a little hard. But once they start to break up, same thing, I lift it, mix it all up. So you can see here how nicely it chops up cabbage, which is, you know, leafy and usually very difficult to get nice and fine like that. And the same thing with the carrots. It chopped the carrots nice and fine because I cranked it up a lot. You know, I pumped that handle quite a bit. The nice thing about this is if you don't want it this fine, you just don't chop it as much. The more you pump the handle and chop it, the finer it gets. So you could stop where you want to stop, or you could keep going till you get it nice and fine if that's what you need to do. We didn't want big chunks of carrot in the coleslaw. We really just want a little bit to add some color and texture. And that's it, a little rubber spatula. Then really all this needs is a quick rinse, nice and easy to clean out. And in no time at all, I have everything I need for my coleslaw. That's the Smile Mom. It should be the Smile Dad because it's mine. Link in the description below. If you want to stick around for the coleslaw recipe, that will be also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.